Welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, I am going to inform you about competition organized by CBSE and IIT Bombay, Eureka Junior 2023. Let's start. So the program name is Eureka Junior Road to Enterprise 2023. The entrepreneurship cell of IIT Bombay is organizing this program for students of class 6 to 12. The main purpose of this program is to promote entrepreneurship at a young age. In this program, students will be provided with skill development activities, workshop, boot camp, and mentoring from business experts for developing their innovative idea. Students just have to register themselves on official website of Eureka Junior. The registration deadline is 25 September. Timeline is from 10th September to 4 September. Fees, it's free of cost. Eligibility, classes 6 to 12, and in that mode will be online and offline both. Now, what student have to do? First, student have to register at the official website. Second, they will receive their credential in their mail ID. They have to log in and attempt the mandatory quiz. And if a student has a team, all the members have to register individually. They will be given chance to form a team later part of the competition. Under this competition, they will also organize entrepreneurial mindset workshop, especially for students. If any school is interested in organizing them, they can also register on the official website. Now, what is E-Cell IIT Bombay? E-Cell stands for Entrepreneurship Cell of IIT Bombay. It's a student-run non-profit organization. In 25 years, this has become Asia's largest student-run entrepreneurship promoting organization. Now, what is Eureka Junior? It's a business plan competition that encourage school students of class 6 to 12 to bring out their creative idea and develop a entrepreneurial mindset. Why Eureka Junior? Eureka Junior will provide you the stage to develop all the necessary life skills. They will train and guide students through depth of startup world. This is a perfect opportunity to test your entrepreneurial skills and to learn and develop alongside the brightest mind in the country. How it's work? It consists of 6 major phases, nearly 6 months. Students of class 6 to 12 can participate in this competition. They have built 2 tracks for classes 6 to 8 and 9 to 12. Phase 1. In this, they will be organizing free online and offline workshop in schools across the country. Duration of workshop is 1 hour, and content will be what is mindsets, why is it important, what is entrepreneurship, what is idea generation. Workshop will be conducted over the month of August and September. Phase 2. Registration will only be accepted in the online mode through the official website. Registration will already started from 24 July and ends on 25th September. After registration, students have to attempt mandatory quiz by logging in. The quiz will open till 25 September and each participant can attempt it only once. Phase 3. Skill Development Program. This program will run for around 50 days starting from 15 September. All the selected participants will be given a set of activity focused on building entrepreneurial skills and enhancing their personality. This activity will be visible on their dashboard of Eureka Junior. One of the activity will be to fill questionnaire regarding your innovative idea. All the activity will be evaluative. Top performer of the program will qualify for the next round. Phase 4. Entrepreneurship Bootcamp. Top performers will have the opportunity to attend an entrepreneurship bootcamp for more advanced picture and better knowledge of entrepreneurship. It's 4-day program. Location is IIT Bombay campus. Date from 1st to 4th December. Here, the bootcamp will be mainly focused on leadership and communication skill, networking, mentoring and relationship building, idea validation and customer discovery, market research, continuous learning and growth, social media, and personal branding. Phase 5 Mentoring. After the boot camp, student will be provided exclusive mentoring from startup founder and business expert. This will be online mode. Duration is 45 days. Timeline is from 1st December to 15th January. Final Phase 6. Student will be invited to E-Summit, the flagship event of Entrepreneurship Cell IIT Bombay. They are required to pitch their idea in front of panel of judge. The final are tentatively scheduled in the month of February. That's all. Kindly like and subscribe the channel for informative videos like this. Thank you.